Hey guys, this is Left Technical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly load a text file into your program. So I got a text box here that's got a doc style fill, and I also have in my startup directory a text file to load up. Okay, so I'm going to create a method stub right quick. Load file, and it's going to accept a file name called file.txt. And I just like to do it this way to keep things self-containing and encapsulated. And I just right-clicked on it there to generate a method stub. Change this little parameter name to file name, and then we're going to create our StreamReader. For something as basic as this, you can use a StreamReader or a TextReader. And there are several other ways to load text into your program, but this is the more flexible way of doing it, using the streams and the StreamReader. Okay, so SR is equal to null. You want to explicitly define that the StreamReader is equal to null, otherwise it will be marked as unassigned. SR is equal to new StreamReader, and then we're just going to pass in the file name to the constructor of the StreamReader, and it's going to open up a stream for us. Okay, and next we're going to load the stream's contents into the textbox1.text property. I'm going to use the read to end method. That's just going to simplify things. We don't need to read line by line, nor do we need to do anything else that's overly complex. Okay, so we're going to write some catch blocks here. Regardless of how simple or what you're loading into your app, you always want to catch these two exceptions that are kind of important for loading files into streams. So first one's file not found, or file not found exception, and I'm just going to show a simple message. ex.message is going to access the message property of the exception object. Next up, I always go with my application product name for the message box title, and an OK button, and an error icon, and that keeps things pretty simple. Now, when you're showing a message box error thing, you want to specify the name of your program at the top of the box. So if the user has several programs open and this message box comes up, they know where the error is coming from. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this catch block here, and I'm simply going to change this to file load exception. And you might want to catch a general exception if something else occurs, but it's really unnecessary at this point, but I'm going to do it anyway. Probably could just copy this shit. Then next up is the finally block. This is always executed no matter what, so let's just make sure that we dispose of the StreamReader properly. So SR is not equal to null. SR.dispose. Okay, right here, I'm testing for null because if the StreamReader is null when I try to dispose it, it's going to raise an exception. A lot of people say that this is unnecessary, and it may be in most cases, but to be safe, that's what we're going to do. And as well, if you have exception prone or error prone code before your streams, this is definitely necessary, because if this line of code is not reached in the try block, then the StreamReader object will yield null. So any exceptions above that, this is what you definitely want to test for null. So just like pretty much do it anyways. It's not a big deal.